It's quite a few months since I was here, but I can't believe it's the same place. There's been so much progress. I think RHS Bridgewater is so hugely important for this area. I mean, it'd be important wherever it was, but you know, we're lucky and privileged to have it here because it's going to involve the whole community. It's going to create this marvellous resource that everybody locally and from a much wider area in the northwest can really make use of. I think that anybody who can donate anything ought to donate it to this project because its benefits are just going to be exponential. They're going to grow and grow and grow.